So Radhe Radhe to everyone. Well, today I have come at Bhelwan in Vrindavan. It is around 2 kilometers far from Vrindavan. So I have had darshan of Ma Lakshmi, and but mobile is not allowed inside. So here you can see, you can have darshan of Shri Ganesh. I am in front of this temple, and we will see. So let's see. So here people tree, people also worship here, and I don't know which tree this is, and this is really very beautiful place, a very magnificent view you can have here, and some other temples are also there. So let's have darshan of Radha Krishna ji. Here is temple of Radha Krishna ji, and some more are there. So I just go there. Then here there is temple of Shri Kuberji, and this is also very beautiful temple. Let me touch feet. So this place is really full of pure environment, and children are also enjoying here. There are swings, you can see, and this is the main temple of Ma Lakshmi ji and Shri Vishnu ji. And it is said that when there was Maharaj in Vrindavan, so Ma Lakshmi ji came to join the Maharaj, but she was not allowed. Then she came at this place and she did tapasya like here. Uh, so since then the temple was established, and people come here mostly on Thursday. Mostly people come here on Thursday. This is considered very auspicious day for Ma Lakshmi ji. So today also it is Thursday, so I planned and I have come here. One more temple is here. This is of Hanumanji. Let me touch feet. And as you can see, there is very much space. This temple is spacious, and many people are coming here to worship and to have the darshan of Ma Lakshmi ji. So as you can see here, because mobile is not allowed, video is not allowed, so I cannot go inside the temple, but from here you can just have a little darshan. Let me make it, if this is visible. Here you can see out of the temple, here there are so many trees, and they are considered very old trees. This is the main door of the temple. Here so many graves are there, and you can see, you can purchase prasad from here. There is also a temple of Go Mata. You can have darshan. This is out of the temple, and there is a kind of garden, but there is no entry. No, not allowed to enter the garden. So here now it is time to go. I'll visit any other place. So thank you.